Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off maintenance mode in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. As you can see in the bottom left corner, our phone is in maintenance mode. How to turn it off, how to go back to our default mode. So we need to swipe from the top and tap to exit maintenance mode. Yes, please exit, restart, and now we need to input our screen lock, and our maintenance mode should be turned off after the phone reset. Let's wait a bit. Come on, phone. And now our phone is back in our default user mode. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.